So a few people have asked me, does an air fryer really make a difference? Well, I'm going to show you. Let's take the meatball parm melt. Here's what it looks like right out of the package. The front and the back. Okay, so 1:25 in the microwave. It looks like warmed dough. Now compare it to this golden brown goodness. 7 minutes at 400 degrees with a little bit of cooking spray. In my case, I used avocado oil. The side-by-side comparison. Which do you want to eat? Of course, you gotta do the taste test. Soft and doughy. And the other one. Did you hear the crunch? To me, there's no comparison. It's air fry all the way. If you want me to try anything else, let me know in the comments.